Hi Scorpio. So love reading வந்து நம்ம இப்போ வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாட் இஸ் த ப்ரெசன்ட் சுச்சுவேஷன் அண்ட் இமிடியேட் ஃபியூச்சர். ஸோ இதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து பேஸ்டாக வந்து பார்த்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஜென்ரலாக வந்து ஜோடியாக் சைனை வச்சு பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ பர்சனலாக நம்ம வந்து உங்களோட நேம் அண்ட் டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த்தை வச்சு வந்து இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்குறச்சு யூ வுட் கெட் அ ப்ராப்பர் அக்யூரேட் அண்ட் கிளாரிட்டி அண்ட் கைடன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த டேரோ டெக். இது வந்து நம்ம ஜோடியாக் சைன் ஜென்ரலாக நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து இது வந்து ரெசனேட் ஆகலாம், ஆகாமையும் வந்து போகலாம். ஸோ டோன்ட் டேக் இட். If it does not resonate, you can skip it, okay? So resonate ஆச்சுன்னா you can have. அதை தவிர்த்து my Instagram page and my WhatsApp number is in the description if you want to book a personal reading, and you can follow me in the Instagram page, okay? Yes, okay, let's begin. What is the love reading for the present situation and the immediate future, okay? What is the what is it going to say? What is the present situation? What is the present situation? What is the present situation for Scorpio? Now reading, please. You seems to be happy, prosperity, abundance. Are you alone or are you with your man or girl? Okay. I feel like you have moved on and you seem to be happy. Better we can put up like, okay, you have moved on and you seem to be happy. I could see someone is either is traveling through somewhere, or you have completely moved on from your relationship, or you are regretting being in that relationship, and you seems to be not happy. You're regretting, you're worrying a lot, but let's clarify why அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு let's பார்க்கலாம். Why the Eight of Swords is here? Why the Eight of Swords is here? Why the Eight of Swords is here? See, I'm getting a lot of blindfolded thing, okay? I'm also getting a devil. Either you are trapped in the relationship. You feel like you have two choices, either to move on or either to be in the relationship, or any kind of situation, any kind of circumstances could be there. You're waiting to get the right path. You're very much confused, okay, which path to take, because from the Two of Swords, from the Three of Wands, what I'm getting is you are very confused to which path to choose. Like, totally blindfolded. You have two choices in your hands, you don't know what to do. Completely blindfolded. இந்த கார்டுக்கு நான் வந்து கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் பார்த்தா இதுவும் இப்படி தான் இருக்கு. Eight of Swords, I have looked into it, a clarification, but I'm getting a Two of Swords again, which is telling me you're really, really confused. You don't know which stalemate. Not any action is taking place in your relationship. Nothing new is happening. Okay, no action is taking place in your relationship. That's why I see you. You seems to be very worried. Okay, you're not happy, and you're just waiting for the right moment, or you're just fed up of waiting, something like that. Okay, you're trying to find out the purpose in the relationship, okay? It started with the happiness, but I think right now you seems to be very bad, okay? Why the King of Swords, sorry, King of Wands is here? Why the King of Wands is here? Show me the cards, please. Why the King of Wands is here? I think you need to let go of, or you have to just go with the flow, surrender it to the universe, surrender it to the situation, because lot of fighting, lot of clashes, lot of disappointments, lot of ego clashes I could see here in your relationship. Six of Swords. Why is the Six of Swords is here? Silently, I feel like someone is moving on from the relationship, or you're planning, or you're not presently or currently happy in that relationship. You feel like you are somewhere missed. Why the Six of Swords is here? Definitely not happy. Crying out. Okay, definitely not seems to be very happy, because I'm getting a chariot and the six of cups. Okay, like maybe you're trying to move on, maybe you're getting a nostalgia, nostalgia situation here. Okay, you might be remembering about your past or thinking about it again and again, and you're not trying to move on. Maybe that could be the situation. Why the six of wands is here? But I think you seems to be very strong. Like you're trying to come out, and you're doing great. Is she or he is happy on her own, or do they have a future together? Do they have a future together? Show me the immediate. Show me the immediate future. Do they have a future together? Show me the immediate future, please, with the three cards. I think this seems to be a karmic relationship, because in the future, again, I'm getting a kind of maybe if you have joined together, patch a point. No, I'm getting a kind of tower card here, which seems to be it's going to destroy something. Why is a tower here? Why is a tower here? I think things will get changed. Why is a tower here? Will they do they have a future together? Show me the one card, please. Do they have a future together? Everything is in your hands. If you want to destroy this relationship, or if you want to move on from this relationship, if you want to அந்த ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை நீங்கள் கையில் வச்சுக்கிறதும் அந்த ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை வந்து ruin பண்ணிக்கிறதும், everything is in your hands. If you want to make it happen, make it happen. If you want to ruin this relationship, that's also it's up to you. Totally up to you. Because I'm getting a magician. But please, if you ask me, if you keep, because you have so much emotions on them, you have so much growth of them. Okay, if you work out on it, because when it comes to Scorpio, yes, you are very stubborn. நீங்கள் பேசுகிறதே கொஞ்சம் இதாக தான் வந்து இருக்கும். I do understand, but if you want this girl, if you want this boy, you need to work out. If you need to a little adjustment. Okay, எல்லாமே வந்து you need to self respect இல்லை, value இல்லை, that is something different. But if you can do small sacrifices, very small sacrifices, if you're very stubborn in the very small sacrifices, then definitely it leads to disappointments. Okay, but in the immediate future, I'm getting that is going to be a bit challenging for you in the immediate future, but let's hope for the best. Everything is in your hands, as I have already told you, because you have all the thing in your hands, so don't miss out. Thank you so much. Let's spread only love.